Sublimation can open up many transferring opportunities for crafters and business owners alike. Though you may ask, how exactly is it possible and what substrates are available for sublimation? Now, as long as the substrate includes polyester or a polymer coat, virtually anything can be transferred onto it with sublimation, leaving many unique items, also known as sublimation blanks, up for grabs. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, here to give you a rundown of the many popular and unique types of sublimation blanks, which should give you an idea of how extensive sublimation really is as a heat transfer. Now, we do want to make it clear that t-shirts are not the only substrate available for sublimation, as there's much more available, especially for anyone running a business. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be the first to watch new tutorials, streams, and more from Heat Press Nation. Now, if you're looking for a more extensive look into sublimation, check out our guide video, which you can watch right now by clicking on the card above. Let's get started. As a quick review, sublimation is technically defined as the changing of a solid particle directly into a gaseous state. Now, dye sublimation is the method specifically used for heat transferring. Inks designed for sublimation will first be used to print an image into a solid form with sublimation paper. That is then heat pressed onto a polymer coated substrate, which will form into a gaseous state and permanently transfer onto your substrate. In layman's terms, the heat press heats up the gas dye, which is then pressed permanently into the surface of your substrate. Now, with the aforementioned substrate types, there are a wide variety of applications for sublimation, all of which are perfect for businesses looking to expand their horizons, alongside crafters looking for more fun projects to tackle. Firstly, any garments which are 100% polyester or a rich polyester blend are going to work great for sublimation. Now, this makes white polyester t-shirts and similar apparel very effective as blanks. Now, we do have to note that cotton garments are not entirely compatible with sublimation transfers. However, sublimation allows you to do more than just clothing. Some of the most popular sublimation blanks in the market are going to be mugs and drinkware. Now, all of these have a special polymer coating, which means that you can't exactly go to the dollar store and pick up a random mug or glass off the shelf. Now, drinkware of the ceramic, metal, and glass types are customizable enough to have a vibrant image transferred. Maybe it's your friends and family, it's yours or others' artwork or photography. Maybe it's your brand's work or your logo. Now, with drinkware ranging from mugs, tumblers, sports bottles, shot glasses, and many more, your sublimation transfers can be applied to any of these items. It really depends on what you prefer to have around, what options are convenient for your clients or your customers, or maybe for general business exposure. It could be promotional gifts or even a one-of-a-kind shop item. While many mugs and similarly sized drinkware can be pressed with our Signature Series mug press, the option to sublimate multiple items, usually shot glasses or oversized items, is possible with the use of an oven and appropriately sized oven wraps. Now, if you intend to use an oven and your oven wraps, we do advise you to purchase a separate oven specifically for sublimation purposes. Another two popular styles of sublimation blanks are going to be photo panels and tiles. Now, they both serve the same purpose of presenting photos or art on a flat surface. However, their main differences are distinguished by their size and application. For example, photo panels are used to present artwork and photography, and they're often sold in common photo presentation sizes like 4x6, 5x7, 8x10 inches, and more. On the other hand, photo tiles are ceramic tiles, and they'll range from about 1.75 inches to 6-inch squares. These smaller sizes allow them to work perfectly as coasters or wall tiles. Both photo panels and tiles have a glossy white finish, which makes them perfect for detailed images. Aluminum photo panels are offered in matte white and glossy clear finishes, while wood photo panels have a clear coating, and that allows the natural finish to be seen through the artwork. Sublimation blanks come in a huge variety of shapes and sizes. Blanks such as ornaments, keychains, mouse pads, and much more can be pressed in a traditional flat heat press. Now, some thicker items like awards plaques or wood photo panels will work best with a swing-away style heat press. For certain blanks, such as pet bowls and caps, specific methods of heat transferring will be required due to their unique shapes. For example, pet bowls are best sublimated using sublimation wraps and an oven, while caps, on the other hand, will require either a specific heat press or a curved cap attachment for your existing heat press. Having the right specialized equipment will allow you to offer a wide variety of fully customizable products to your customers, which of course adds an incredible value to your business. While polyester garments are fantastic for sublimating onto, it's so great to know that there's a whole world of substrates available for sublimation. This makes for limitless creative possibilities for crafters, business owners, or really anybody interested in producing fully customizable products. From the super popular coffee mugs all the way to pet bowls, from keychains to awards plaques, there's something for everyone when it comes to sublimation blanks. When you decide to begin expanding your work in sublimation, be sure to not only consider the sample items shown in this video, but also our huge variety of sublimation blanks. Of course, all of these can be found at heatpressnation.com or by going to heat.press/subblanks. If you enjoyed this video, please do us a favor and like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be the first to know when we post new videos. If you have any questions about sublimation and blanks, please leave us a comment or give us a call at 800-215-0894. You can also visit us at heatpressnation.com. A link to our sublimation blanks page is in the description below. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.